following is a paid commercial program.
Are you tired of arriving late? How about oversleeping for study meeting? Or even what about being late for class? And let's not start talking about being late for bedtime. Well, don't worry about that anymore because the new aggressive alarm clock is here. Wake the f*** up! Have a good price of $9.99. These alarms are for sure to get you up and on the go. Oh Lord, it almost time for you to get home. Better get there. So next time you want to avoid the belt, always remember, the aggressive alarm is always here to help. You done already missed it up now.
Wow, thanks aggressive alarm clock.